Hello everyone, I am Nazmus Sakib and my teammate is Saad Rafid Pial. Welcome to our project InsightAI. At first, let's have a glance at our landing page and the onboarding procedure that includes login and sign up. Now, let's have a look at our profile section. We can see our information in the profile section. We can also change them. Let's now move on to the first module of the day, which is Project Planner. Now, at first we will create a project which will contain the project title and description and some details. Now, let's move on to automatic task generation. So, what is automatic task generation? Imagine you want to start a project but you don't know where to start from. Simply enter your project title and description, and our AI agent will use web search to gather relevant data and analyze them to create a detailed and step-by-step task list for your project. So here, what is the workflow? The workflow is, at first, our AI agent does the web search, scrape the contents, then feed them according to your needs and generate a detailed plan. Now, let's move on to Genie. In Shop Genie, we have a collection of over 20,000 products from different popular fashion brands in Bangladesh. Let's first look at the page and the products and explore them. Now, let's look at the product page and the sentiment analysis feature. In the product page, we are showing every nitty-gritty details about the product, and not just that, from our page, you can visit the original product page from the brand. In the sentiment analysis, we analyze the sentiment from user reviews and show it to a user to take better decision about a product. Now, let's have a look at our recommendation model. In Shop Genie, you can actually manage your wish list. You can add some products as your favorites. In the recommendation model, we actually go through the products in your wish list and we try to find similar products and then we show it to you so that you can find similar products according to your wish list. Now, let's move on to the most exciting feature of Shop Genie, which is search. Imagine you are thinking of a product but you really don't know what to write in the search bar of the fashion brand because they do a keyword search. But in Shop Genie, we are implementing semantic search. So whatever you need, you just write it down in the search bar and we get the product for you. The exact same thing will happen for image search. Do you like the product you are watching? Just capture the photo and put it on our website and we will get the exact same product for you. In the hybrid search, you can find a similar product with some additional requirements. See for yourself. Now, let's move on to the final module of InsightAI. Let me present you Study Partner. Study Partner offers the most productive and futuristic AI tools to better help the university-going students. At first, let's explore FileBin. Here you can organize your study materials. In FileBin, you can add any form of material. It may be a file, URL, or even YouTube link. Now, let's add some more files to our newly created collections and organize them. In Study Partner, we can also add data from web URL. You can just copy the URL and paste it, and the content of the web page will be added to the knowledge base. Last but not the least, we have not forgotten about videos yet. You can add data from YouTube video links as well. Now let's move on to the chat part. In the chat part, you can actually chat with the knowledge of your collection, which contains files, URLs, and YouTube videos. You can customize your chatbot by selecting the model and how you want the model to behave. And the most exciting feature is in the response, we include the source data so that you can go and find the data yourself. Let's move on to the node generation part where our AI agent will generate nodes for you. But before that, you'll have to fix some parameters like your current knowledge level, the topics to focus on, etc. Now let's have a glance at the generated nodes. Is it boring? I don't think so, because a node is detailed and partitioned into multiple segments, each with sufficient examples. Not just that, it has videos and questions as well. Now, let's move on to the MCQ generation part. Here, you can generate a pop quiz for you, but before that, you'll have to fix some parameters, like you have to fix the domain, your knowledge level, the question types, and the number of questions. Now, let's move on to flashcards. Our intelligent AI agent can generate flashcards for you that can greatly help you to prepare for exams. But before generating flashcards, you have to fix some few parameters like the topic domain, the files, your current knowledge level, etc. The flashcards are associated with questions, answers, step-by-step explanations, tips and tricks, etc. Thank you very much to be with us in this exciting demonstration journey.